This is called parval. It belongs to gourd variety. I think it's called pointed gourd. If you all know any other name for this, please mention it in the comments below. I'll show you how to cut and what we have to do with the vegetable. See, it is lightly scrape the vegetable, cut both the ends. Then you have to wash it and then cut it into quarters. Like this. If you find it has too many seeds, then you can remove the seeds. Mine it's still tender, so I don't have to remove. I can add these seeds also. But sometimes if it is very mature, then you'll have to remove the seeds. So you just cut it into quarters and put. See, this has got mature seeds. I think I'll remove the seeds from this. It comes off easily. This is a very tasty vegetable. It goes very well with rotis and you can pair it with some rice or something. Mature, the seeds are very mature, you can remove it. Otherwise they are quite. See, I've cut the vegetables. I removed seeds from almost all of them. Very few only I've got seeds because I saw they were all quite mature. See, look at all the seeds, and I've scraped off the skin as well. Okay, let's turn on the stove. Pour some oil, about 2 tablespoons. Let the oil get hot. North Indians use mustard oil when they make this vegetable, but I am using ordinary cooking oil. Let the oil get hot. I think it's hot. Hope it's hot. Slightly hot. Anyway, let me put all the vegetables. Here I've got about a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, haldi powder, and I'm adding about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Let's just stir this a bit. Let's cover and cook this for 3 minutes on low flame. 3 to 4 minutes have passed. Now let's check our vegetable. Okay, it's cooked and all that rawness of the vegetable is gone. So now we'll remove this vegetable. Okay, in the same pan I'll add some more oil to it, about a tablespoon. The oil is hot. Now let's add 2 dry red chilies. Just stirring it. Then a small piece of cinnamon stick. Then some about 1/2 teaspoon of cumin and asafoetida, about 1/2 teaspoon. And I'm adding crushed garlic, about 15 cloves of garlic. Now let's add the onions. I've got 2 chopped onions. I'm adding it. Let the onion become translucent. Let it fry for 2 minutes till it becomes translucent. I am adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. The raw smell of ginger garlic has disappeared. Now I am going to add the cooked parval or this gourd. What gourd? Pointed gourd. Similar to gherkins. It looks like gherkins actually. If you all know the right word for this, please mention it in the comments. Let's combine everything nicely. I'm going to add the tomatoes. This is about 2 tomatoes. Did I mention that this vegetable is 500 grams? I've used 500 grams of this vegetable. Okay. Let's fry the tomatoes in it.
Please do remember to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.
Let's add some salt. We have already added salt in the vegetable earlier, so we'll have to see according to the taste. Here I've got 2 green chilies chopped. I'm adding that. This vegetable goes very well with rotis and even as a side dish for any rice preparation with dal rice. Here I'm going to add a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Okay. I've got Kashmiri chili powder, about half teaspoon. Since I've added green chilies, I'm adding just Kashmiri chili powder. I'm going to reduce the flame and cover and cook for another 2 minutes. Maybe I can add a little bit of water, about a tablespoon of water. I'll cover and cook for another 3 minutes. Okay, the vegetable has been cooking for 3 to 4 minutes. Let's check it. It's well cooked and the oil has come out. Now I'm just going to add this powder. It's made out of 2 cloves, 2 green cardamoms, half a teaspoon of coriander seeds, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and quarter teaspoon of fennel. Yes, I roasted lightly and I have powdered and kept. So this is it's kind of a garam masala, homemade garam masala, which is used for this vegetable. You mix it well and your vegetable is ready. Your tasty parval vegetable is ready. Just going to sprinkle it with some green coriander. Turn off the stove.
It's so yummy.